I just wanted to let you guys know to go subscribe to Cute Little Glover, okay guys? So go subscribe to her. Alright, so shall we get started? Alright guys, so I just wanted to tell you that. And now you're playing Fidget Spinner Obby. Okay guys? Oh, green skin! What? It's called Robux? No, I don't got Robux. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Yeah, jump, jump. Though if I am horrible at this, don't judge me. I'm not very good at playing on the computer. Okay, and I am going to be making a part 2 to this video. Okay, so don't worry if I cut this video short, a little short. Cause I had to go somewhere, so that's why I cut it short. Okay. No! You see how bad I am at this? I'm horrible. I'm not even past bad. No. Okay, okay. That happened. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hoopa. 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 I do better when I'm like this. Woo. So she did actually make a new video, Taylor Swift. Oh my god. Oh, yes she did. Guys, I am so close to dying. Oh my god, yes, I made it! Oh, it pushed me back. Yeah! Move! Stage 7. Start at. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think this is my 4th Roblox video, because if you're watching this, you should definitely go check out my other videos. And I am still, oh man. Alright, oh, come on. I'm gonna be making more videos in the future, okay? Like Halo Mega Bloks future in the future. Halo Mega Bloks videos. I'm gonna be doing some gaming. And I'm gonna be doing some Transformer videos.